Woo! Whoa! Woo! Oh my god! Today we are riding the Sun Peaks Bike Park. We've had an absolutely insane morning so far. We just finished a ride on the Canada line and it is a super fun blue trail which has been excellent for warming up on. I highly recommend you check it out first lap of the day if you were ever here. It's a sick trail. Anyways, it's time for us to ride check out Steam Shovel.
Ski jump trail warning.
I ain't ready for this, I know damn well.
Yeah, there's no way I'm going to even attempt to ride Steam Shovel, but this trail is legendary, so I at least wanted to check it out while I was here. I'm just going to show you some of the features that we did hit, but if you want a full video rundown of this trail, I highly recommend you check out Jordan Boostmaster's video. He's got an excellent ride of it, and that dude's a savage, so you can actually clear everything.
Phew! Yeah! Yeah, you went so far over it, dude. That thing is dialed. Alright, well, let's see what else this thing has in store. These are nice berms here. Nice and fast. These berms are nice though, nice and big. I love the size of these berms though. They're fun, lots of room. Yeah. Woo. Oh, just knuckled it. That step up is unreal. Gap jump ahead. Oh my god. You missed, you died, dude. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Woo. That was good.
Anyways, it's time for us to get back in line and get ready for another run.
This place is definitely like a pretty good blend between like a Revy and Silver Star, because it's got the jumps and the berms, and it's faster, but it's not like stupid fast like Revy is.
Yeah, it's just nice. You can just relax and fly in.
Yeah. Oh, it's so good, man. Honestly, this weather is pretty much perfect for like
the ideal bike weather.
Yeah, ideal. Perfect for the last like day of the season. Like you could not pretty much ask for better.
Yeah.
I mean, other than being a little bit wet at the top, other than that, it's perfect.
Yeah. Not even bad now after.
No.
I bet you if we go down Canada line again, it's gonna
It'll probably be even drier. Yeah, it'll be sweet.
Anyway, it's time to check out some of the other trails that Sun Peaks has to offer. It's time to check out Route 66.
Giver. It'll be interesting to see how wet this is.
What was that? Yeah, there we go, now burnt out.
Really good, eh?
That's really good.
Fun, eh? Fucking great. Nice big berms.
Oh yeah. Sand it. This is fun. It's way drier, but it's a little bit bumpy. Yeah, I'm liking it. It's dry. These are some tight berms through here though. A little bit muddier through here. Whew, this is open here, wow. See, like these turns are sharp, man. Oh, that's a rock to the frame. Whew. Oh man.
Route 66 has been really fun so far. It's quite a bit different than Canada Line in that it's more of a high-speed flow trail and less of a jump trail. It's also a fair bit drier, but unfortunately, due to the high-speed nature, the trail is a lot more rutted out than Canada Line was. In my opinion, Canada Line is the superior trail, but I think it'd be best for you to go check that out for yourself. Anyways, I'm gonna ride what is now gonna be, I think, my favorite line of the day, which is Canada Line to Bermelade. But you're gonna have to wait for that in the next one. Stay tuned.
It's a little nose heavy on that one.